Once again, we're doing the cinnamon challenge. Me, Kehlani, and Carlito.
It's KK.
KK. Whatever. Home skeezy. The cakester's.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Cake.
Okay.
I didn't know I've done this before.
Is your camera? Is there any point of it? Okay. Okay, how we okay.
Okay.
Alright, come here.
Carl's coming.
Okay.
You are so tall.
Wait, this is so far away.
We did it for last time.
Okay.
Remember?
Okay, you ready? You ready?
Yeah, Jesus Christ.
Okay.
So that's the over.
I know.
Okay, drop it in.
Okay.
That's wasted cinnamon right there.
Okay.
Ready?
1,
2, 3.
I knew why.
Oh.
Are you good?
Yeah, you got some cinnamon like, on your face.
I tried to solve it again. Why does it look so gross?
I swallowed like half of it.
And you didn't throw up?
Like, look how much I spat out. Look how much you spat out.
That's what I
Did I
Wait.
spat out that?
Ew. Okay.
Alright, so
Okay. That was torture. Bye.